Changes in temperature can affect the skin's hydration level, moisture retention, and the overall comfort of your skin. Different climates and environmental factors requires specific skincare formulations to address these unique challenges. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how the temperature of your environment influences the choice of skincare ingredients that you're going to be using in your skincare formulation, especially moisturizers. So if you like to see this video, please keep on watching. Hey Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Selek Khalil and I am a Nigerian-based beauty influencer, a skincare DIY specialist. I create weekly videos on skincare DIYs, product reviews. I teach you how you can take care of your skin and how you can get a glowing, beautiful, and healthy skin one day at a time. So if these are things that you're interested in and you would like to see more informative videos on skincare and how you can help your skin get better, then you definitely want to join the family by subscribing down below. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I put out a new video, and make sure you leave your comments, questions, and concerns in the comment section, as these help me understand that you guys really love what I am doing. Skincare is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and understanding how temperature affects our skin can help us make informed decisions about the products that we use or the kind of products that we make for our customers. So let's dive in. Now, before we begin, let's first understand how the temperature impacts our skin. Now, the changes in temperature, changes in the environment can influence or affect our skin's hydration level, our moisture retention level, and the overall comfort of our skin. Now, different climates and different environmental factors influence our skincare formulations or the kind of products that we use on our skin so as to address different skin issues. Now, I'll explain better. The humidity level in your environment plays a significant role in determining the type of skincare ingredients that you will choose for your formulation. Now, I am focusing on moisturizers because that's where a lot of people get the issues, or that's where a lot of people get it wrong. In a high humidity condition or environment where the air is moist, our skin tends to retain more moisture. Even in areas where the environment or the air is dry, there's no humidity. Once it starts raining, like I live in Abuja, and Abuja is usually very dry. But this period that it's raining, I can see and feel a difference in my skin because there's more moisture than usual in the air. So this means that skincare formulations that you make for people who live in such moist or humid area requires less or lighter textures and ingredients that provide lightweight hydration without feeling heavy or greasy on the skin. Now, let's talk about the influence of climate on skincare formulations. Whether it is hot and dry, hot and humid, cold and dry, or cold and humid, each climate has its own set of challenges. In hot and humid climates where sweat and excess oil production are common, it is essential to use skincare formulations that are lightweight, and are oil-free. These kind of formulations help to prevent clogged pores and control the oil production on your skin, which will then keep your skin fresh and matte. In contrast, in cold and dry climates where the air lacks humidity and moisture, our skin tends to lose moisture more quickly. To combat this problem, skincare formulations that are targeted at clients who live in a cold and dry environment need to include ingredients that offer high moisturization and hydration, and helps to lock in that moisture. Now, these kinds of formulations usually have richer and more emollient textures to provide a protective barrier and prevent moisture loss from the skin. Apart from climate or temperature, other environmental factors influence our skin. Now, let's look at some of these other environmental factors that can influence our skin. Some of them are pollution and UV radiation. Now, pollution and UV radiation can cause a significant damage to our skin. Skincare formulations that are made for people who live in areas that are polluted should include ingredients that have antioxidant properties and detoxifying properties. These ingredients help to combat free radicals and environmental damage, which will then keep the skin healthy and rejuvenated. Now, in areas with high UV exposure, such as environments that are sunny or climates that are sunny, it is important to choose skincare ingredients that offer a strong UV protection or sun protection. Look for ingredients that offer broad spectrum coverage, which can shield the skin from harmful UV rays and prevent sunburn and premature aging. Now, windy climates can also affect our skin. The constant exposure to wind can lead to moisture loss on the skin, leaving our skin dry and dehydrated. Skincare ingredients for windy areas may require ingredients that provide barrier protection and improve skin hydration, ensuring our skin remains nourished and protected. Now, last but not the least is personal comfort. This plays a vital role in selecting your skincare formulation. Everyone has their own preference when it comes to texture and the feel of skincare products on their skin. In a hot and humid climate, a lot of people will prefer lightweight moisturizers or oil-free formula to avoid a heavy and greasy feeling on their skin. These kinds of formulas are made to provide hydration to the skin without weighing down the skin. On the other hand, in cold and dry climates, some individuals may prefer richer and more nourishing formulas, which can provide extra protection and hydration. These kinds of formulations often have thicker textures, which are the creams, the cream that you have. You know, you have lotions and you have creams. These are the creams. So if you live in an environment that is cold and dry, you may need a more richer textured cream that can create a nourishing and protected experience for the skin. Understanding how the temperature of your environment influences the ingredients that you choose for your skincare formulation is very, very important. I know a lot of you will say, why do I need to pay to learn how to make base cream? Or why do I need to pay to learn how to make moisturizers? These are some of the reasons. A lot of you will say, I know somebody who came under my comment and said, why will I pay you to learn how to make a moisturizer when it's just to use oil and water and e-wax? And I just laughed because, yes, that makes cream, but understanding how each particular ingredient that you choose influence the end result of your product and caters to a certain set of people is very, very important if you want to succeed in this business. So if you would like to join any of our trainings, you want to learn how to make your own skincare formulations, you want to learn as a beginner, as an intermediate, as an advanced, we have all of those courses for you. All you have to do is use the link in the description bar to send us a WhatsApp message and we'll give you all the information that you need. If you don't know which of the courses you're supposed to take, let us know how far you have learned and then we will choose the best course for you. Now, yes, our courses are quite pricey, but that's because we teach you everything that you need to know about formulation. But at the same time, if you can't afford the full course, you can definitely break the courses into bits, into parts, and take them according to how you can afford, but then that will make it more expensive for you. However, send us a WhatsApp message and we'll help you choose the right course. And if any of the courses that we have readily available does not suit your need, we will create a model that will suit your need. For example, you're trying to learn just how to make a moisturizer for a certain skin condition, or you're trying to make a particular kind of product that you're having issues with. Just tell us what you need or what you want to focus on, and we'll create a model for you. By considering the humidity, climate and environmental factors, and personal comfort of your clients, you can select skincare ingredients that are tailored to your client's specific need. If you have watched up to this extent, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please subscribe to the channel for more insightful and informative videos. And if you like to ask any questions, or you like to contribute, or you like to just understand something better, please leave your comments in the comment section. I really love to answer your questions in the comment section. And please take your time to read the description bar, because most of your questions about how to reach us and all of that have been provided in the description bar. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it was informative to you, and make sure you share this video to all of your friends so that YouTube knows that we are doing something impactful and will continue to push us, which then encourages us to make more insightful videos for you. Thank you once again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, before I go, guys, have you shopped from our gym wear page? This is some of our products. Let me stand up for you guys to see. Please shop from us. YouTube is not like before again, so we're trying to include other things. Please shop from us. We can ship to you anywhere in the world. Okay, so this is one of our sets. This is one of our sets. Really nice. It was quite rainy today, so I wore a jacket on top of it, but let me just pull it down so you guys can see how nice it looks. Please go and shop our gym wear. We ship everywhere, and trust me, if you're in Nigeria, we ship directly to your doorstep. You don't need to go to the park. Just sit in your house, the item will get to you. We have very nice pieces. We're going to have our new arrival on Wednesday. That's tomorrow. So yeah, please shop. This is the handle at gymprowears_thrift, and we will be happy to serve you. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me every time. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys again in another video. Bye.